Kitting and assembly. Your order fulfillment center says they offer it, but what does it actually mean? Super short answer, kitting means gathering different products and packing them together as one. Assembly means putting parts together to make a finished product. Of course, there's a lot to unpack there with that definition. In this video, I'll give you examples of what people mean when they say kitting and assembly. That means giving you a clear definition of both and then talking about the difference between the two and what the process looks like. Oh, and before I forget, my name is Brandon. I'm here on behalf of Fulfillrite, a 3PL that has shipped for thousands of e-commerce and crowdfunding clients. More information is down there in the description. That said, let's talk about examples of kitting and assembly. Think of a subscription box. It's filled with different products that arrive together as one package. That involves kitting. Or think about flat pack furniture. All those parts arrive separate, but they're assembled before they actually go out on a showroom floor. That's assembly. Another example, gift baskets. Products are grouped and packed neatly as one unit. Kitting. Kitting and assembly are both about making products ready for customers in an efficient and organized way, but it requires extra steps. So any company that needs kitting and assembly either needs to have a plan to do this in-house or a partner who will do that for them. What is kitting? Again, the technical definition of kitting is taking multiple products and combining them into a single package. I'll share another example so you can see the options here. Let's say you're doing a PR box. You pull out a t-shirt, a mug, and a pin. You put it into a box for a promotional gift that you send out to the press. Now, companies can do this on their own, but kitting also happens in warehouses. Instead of picking one item at a time, the warehouse staff will bundle several items together into a single discrete package before they get them out by mail. This saves time, it cuts down on shipping costs, and is generally beneficial for a lot of folks. Kitting's about presentation, but it's also about efficiency, grouping items ahead of time so that they're ready to ship out quickly. Whether it's skincare samples or food packs, kitting helps streamline fulfillment. So what's assembly? Assembly is when you put parts together to make a product. So kitting means putting those products into a bundle, but assembly means making a product out of parts. Now, the classic example of assembly, which I already use, is furniture. So let's talk about other use cases. You can do this for toys and electronics too, because a lot of those have to be put together after manufacturing. This is also true of bikes a lot of the time too. Meal kits work the same way if you've ever ordered from Blue Apron or HelloFresh. Assembly adds value for a very simple reason. It takes the raw parts, it turns them into finished products. So you can say to the customer and really mean it when you say no assembly required. So to sum it all up, kitting is packaging multiple items together. Assembly is building products from parts. Kitting saves time and reduces shipping costs. Assembly prepares products for use. Now, both processes help businesses ship more efficiently, whether done in-house or with a fulfillment center. Now, if you watch this video, you are probably still learning more about how all this kitting and assembly stuff works. So I'd like to share some other videos with you as well. If you want to find an order fulfillment center, but you want to make sure that you do it right, check out how to find the right fulfillment company. If you need a more complete overview of how e-commerce order fulfillment works, check out Ultimate Guide to E-commerce Order Fulfillment step-by-step tutorial instead. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Don't forget to slap some postage on that bell so that we can express ship new videos to you as soon as they drop. And last but not least, if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We will personally answer as many as we can. Thanks for watching.